Apple fans are in for an exciting year, but patience will be key for those waiting for the first foldable iPhone. According to Apple insider Mark Gurman from Bloomberg, the iPhone Fold is confirmed to launch after the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max. There is no doubt in his mind that the foldable model will arrive later, giving Apple some extra time to perfect its complex design. Rumors about a delayed release of the iPhone Fold have been circulating for months. Originally, it was thought that Apple would make the device available shortly after unveiling the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max in September. However, a Barclays analyst recently suggested that the iPhone Fold might not ship until December, roughly 3 months after the new iPhone 18 Pro series becomes available. Gurman confirms that this timing is very likely, citing the intricate production process involved. The main challenge lies in the foldable internal display. Manufacturing a creaseless, flexible screen is no simple task, and Apple wants it to work flawlessly. Gurman points out that whenever Apple introduces a product with a new form factor, it usually comes out a little later than other models. A historical example is the iPhone X, which launched alongside the iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus in 2017. The iPhone 8 series arrived on September 22, but the first OLED iPhone with Face ID, the iPhone X, was delayed until November 3 due to the complexity of its display and true-depth camera system. The iPhone Fold is expected to follow a similar pattern. Early reports suggest that it could become the most expensive iPhone ever, with a starting price above $2,000. This price reflects not only the new foldable design, but also the advanced technology inside, including the creaseless internal screen that is ideal for gaming and video content. Gurman seems particularly excited about this display, calling it one of the most impressive Apple innovations in years. Apple plans to focus on entertainment and productivity with the internal screen. Watching videos, playing games, and multitasking on a larger foldable display will give users a unique iPhone experience. The creaseless design is especially important because it allows smooth visuals without the usual fold line that appears in other foldable phones. This could make the iPhone Fold a standout device in the growing foldable smartphone market. Another notable feature is Touch ID. Unlike recent iPhones, which rely on Face ID, the iPhone Fold will use a fingerprint sensor integrated into the power button. Gurman explains that including Face ID is not possible for the first foldable model because the 3D module needed for facial recognition is too thick to fit inside the foldable design. However, he believes that Apple will eventually find a way to integrate Face ID into a foldable iPhone, possibly in a few years. For now, Touch ID will offer a reliable and familiar security solution. The iPhone Fold is not just about hardware, it's also expected to strengthen Apple's ecosystem. Gurman notes that many iPhone users stay loyal to the brand because of the seamless experience, including messaging apps and group chats. Even though moving to Android is easier now, the convenience and integration of iOS keep users sticky. The iPhone Fold could attract new users while keeping existing fans engaged, especially with its innovative screen and foldable design. Looking ahead, Apple has several events that will hint at the company's direction for the rest of 2026. One key highlight will be WWDC, expected to take place during the week of June 8th. Gurman reveals that Apple's new chatbot will receive major attention at this event. This AI assistant, launching with iOS 27, is designed to rival ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, and other artificial intelligence apps. It will likely demonstrate Apple's push into smarter, AI-driven interactions across the iPhone and other devices. The combination of the iPhone 18 Pro series and the foldable iPhone could make 2026 one of Apple's most exciting years in recent memory. The iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max are set to ship in September, featuring the latest upgrades in performance, camera technology, and design. Shortly after, the iPhone Fold will arrive, offering a brand new way to experience iOS with a larger, creaseless screen. Gamers, video watchers, and tech enthusiasts will have plenty to look forward to, even if it means waiting a few extra months. Pricing will be a critical factor. At over $2,000, the iPhone Fold will be the most expensive iPhone ever, but Apple fans are likely to see the value in its cutting-edge display and unique form factor. Gurman is confident that the foldable iPhone will perform well in the market, boosting overall iPhone sales and strengthening Apple's position in premium smartphones. For those curious about the design, early renders suggest a sleek, modern look with a large internal display and minimal bezels. Apple is reportedly focusing on making the foldable screen durable and smooth, without a visible crease that could affect the user experience. This design approach could set a new standard for foldable devices, combining elegance with practicality. In summary, the iPhone Fold will launch after the iPhone 18 Pro series, likely in December. Its creaseless internal display, Touch ID integration, and premium price point make it one of Apple's most ambitious products in years. While fans will need patience, the wait promises a device that could redefine what an iPhone can do. Combined with the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max and upcoming AI features in iOS 27, Apple is set to deliver a landmark year for technology enthusiasts. For those eager to be among the first to experience the iPhone Fold, it will be worth keeping an eye on Apple announcements in September and December. The combination of foldable technology, premium design, and entertainment-focused features could make this the most talked about iPhone in Apple history. If excitement for Apple products is high, now is the perfect time to explore official Apple channels. Check the Apple website and authorized retailers for updates and pre-order options. With the holiday season approaching, securing an iPhone Fold early could be the ultimate gift for tech lovers. Don't miss out on the latest Apple news. Click the link in the description to stay updated on pre-orders, discounts, and all the newest features for the iPhone 18 Pro series and the iPhone Fold.